Hello everyone! If you are 30 and you want at least 1 million when you turn 50, kailangan mo lang mag-save ng 196 a day for 7 years. How to do this? Get Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder, the only long-term healthcare plan, HMO, in the Philippines. The Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder is a 3-in-1 long-term healthcare plan that provides hospitalization, insurance, and investment all in one program. Habang pinapalaki ang investment para maabot ang iyong financial goals, pinaka maganda ay mag-prepare ka din ng iyong hospitalization cost in case na magkasakit ka and protect your loved ones in case your sudden death. Searching your financial goals doesn't have to be too long, complicated, and expensive. Message me to learn more about Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder Plan. See ya!